Right. So afternoon or evening, everybody. I'm always
Hi,
confused
Lloyd.
about what to do during this timing. 5 p.m. Is it afternoon or is it still evening? Or is it? All right. So
Depends
there
on
you go,
where you
everybody.
are.
So my analysis from last week still didn't. I won't be deviating too much from it. By and large, most of the currencies are still moving according to what I hope they will be doing. Yeah. So I'm still pretty bullish about pound. So you can see that pound actually from last week actually broke up. Yeah, I did have this level prior beforehand. So I'm waiting patiently either Monday or Tuesday to see if there's a retest of this level. Then I'll put in another position for pound. So let's go long for pound. Now, CAD by and large, I'm bullish about it until but price has limited space. Is really in the middle of this rangy situation. So it's in the mid. So it doesn't really have too much space to move up to $77. Yeah. So for CAD, personally for me, I would be putting in. I'll still be trading CAD, but probably at a lower time frame, seeing as it doesn't really have that much of a space to move up. So, but it is still worth trading. Euro, pretty similar situation as CAD. What's up, Ainsley?
I was just saying, I mean, when you're talking about trading things and it's got a little bit more to the upside, where would you put your stop there? So your risk reward would be looking healthy.
For CAD, well, let me see. CAD yen. So let's say for CAD Swiss, because I'm not talking about a specific currency, so I can't really tell you where the stops I'll be putting. But looking at my chart, if I'm pairing CAD, I'll be probably going with CAD Swiss. Yeah, because I'm quite bearish about Swiss at the moment. So let me jump into actual charts. Yeah. So this is what I have for CAD Swiss. Now, and in lieu of that, this is how I'll probably be looking at it. That if this is the case for CAD Swiss, since so I'll be looking for a bounce off this level.
Right.
And then my stops will probably be somewhere below, probably at 0.685. Yeah, so this is what I'll be looking to trade.
Okay. So you take those indices and then apply those to the appropriate
To the chart, yes.
or the most appropriate chart. Okay.
Yep. And Euro,
So
pretty similar to CAD. Sorry, Ainsley, I didn't quite catch you at the last one.
Sorry?
No, I thought you were saying something. I didn't quite catch you.
No, I'm just saying, I just like the way how you go from your index charts, your currency index charts, and apply it to the strongest position, and then that gives you a really nice risk reward that it did on the CAD Swiss.
Yeah, because I just find it easier overall when I look at the currency indices, and at one glance, it just, at least from my own analysis, it tells me which one is the strongest and weakest to trade from. Yeah, so usually for this show, I will have already ranked them accordingly. So in this case, pound and CAD, I'll be trading long. Then dollar and Aussie, I'll be trying to trade short. Yeah, the Swiss, I'm also ranking it quite low. So yeah, we'll be trying to short Swiss if it sets up at the level. Yeah. Then Euro will be pretty similar situation to CAD, as in I'm still gunning it for it to go long. Yeah. But it has limited upside from here. Not really a lot of room to play. So in this sense, when I look at it, pound and euro, I know you are short euro pound, but to me, it might look as if it might be in a small range. Yeah, till it breaks any level. Yeah. Kiwi, no surprises here. This thing since 2 weeks back, it has been stuck within this range. So again, expecting price might just go up to this level and then get back down again. Yeah. Now, yen is a major surprise that I had from last week. So yen actually broke through 95. I didn't really expect yen to do that. So once it does that, I'm like, wow. Actually, I have no idea what triggered it. Is it from the debate again? I'm not too sure. But anyway, since it has broke through this level, I won't be really touching yen. Yeah, till it comes back to 95. Then I'll see if there's a retest. Yeah, because what happens in the past is that we can see 3 times it happened. I'm sorry, 2 times it happens. So it actually broke, and then once it breaks 95, you will just re-enter the range again. So it's multiple false break. So I'm not really having exactly high hopes that you will bounce off. So this pen for Japanese yen, there's pending to see what happens. So
Yeah,
Swiss,
it's a bit of wait to see there.
yeah. So I think yen, being a safe haven currency, is quite sensitive to news for the time being. Yeah. Then for Swiss, it has really reached 111, pretty nice number. So I do expect to actually go lower. Yeah, hence why I rank it third from the bottom. Pretty straightforward for this Swiss pair. DXY, I have to admit, I'm quite perplexed about the movement of DXY. Yeah, but technically speaking, price might just come back to the lower trend line, this descending trend line, and then get back down again. Yeah, but I have to admit that for DXY, I'm not exactly having good results with it. Yeah.
Okay.
And the last is Aussie will be really stuck within, to me, is stuck within this descending triangle. So price might just go up to the trend line and then get back down to 70 level. Yeah, so that's why I'm pretty bearish about Aussie all the way. But bearing in mind that Monday, Tuesday, it might appreciate a bit before it gets whacked back down. Yeah, so overall, that's my view.
So you're bearish Aussie, are you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because we've had, and that's what I like. Everybody's got an idea on which way it's going to go and how it's going to play out. Like I said, and Ash had really, really good advice for this coming week with being end of month and small positions, and the week up to the election. What we've been used to seeing will possibly not just play out. It's just it's an unusual set of circumstances, and as Shukri's just added to the chat, he just said, yeah, trying to work out what's happening with the dollar index as well this week has also been a bit of a head scratcher.
I mean, this, to me, the current situation is not driven by technical or fundamental. It's really driven by sentiments, and sentiments can really change by the minute. So it's quite hard to catch.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Right.
So yeah, like I said,
with that, I'm done. I guess I'll be handing back the screen to Ainslie.
Yeah, I will. Okay, let me just grab this.